So Split is a fascinating city with lots of history. And so to educate ourselves and see the city in the best way possible, we're going to do something that we always like to do, and that is take a walking tour. So before taking the official walking tour, because we're us, we decided that it would be a good idea to do our own little walking tour up to the top to, well, through part of Marjan Park so that we could get in this epic view. It's so cool. You can see all the boats coming into the harbour. You can see the giant cruiser over there. You can see the promenade. And then earlier you can even hear the giant tower belling out to say that it was 9 AM? Yeah, 9 AM. So now it's 9:01. A little bit more quiet except for the whatever these things are in the trees. And now we've got to walk back down there to start our walking tour.
Let's go.
We booked our tour, which is free, but you still got to book it through Guru Walk, I think. We'll put a link in the description below. And we were told to meet here at 10 AM at the Split sign. So that's where we are.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Daniela. I'm gonna try to convey a really good memory after this tour. We're talking about 295. The big declaration said, I'm gonna have my palace over here. In 305, he stepped, 1st of June, he stepped inside his palace, and this was his retirement house.
So that was the walk-in tour. It was a little bit busy. I don't know if it was because it's a Sunday or because there was a particular ship in town or whatever reason, but it was busy and it was fast, which is good because then you get a little bit of preview of everything. We kind of saw everything, and then you get to have a preview of places that you can then explore in greater detail when you go back, which is the good thing about doing walking tours like early in your travels, because then you can get an idea of where you want to go back to. So we also get a real good impression of the culture and the history of the place. You get to appreciate all the different parts of the city and their history and the story that they've got to tell.
This is like a statue. Everyone wants just a little bit of luck, so everybody's there just giving some love to his toe. Is what I should do.
You'll get some good luck.
Here you go, let.
Manifest.
Quick stop for lunch. Ooh. Me always choosing better than TJ.
It's true. What do you get?
I go a game changer plate.
What is it?
Which is basically rice, quinoa, fried sweet potatoes and tempeh with some salad and beans.
And I've got scrambled tofu and a vegan croissant. These fellas love their job. Look.
We just came to Verde ice cream, which is like homemade, and even the little cone is homemade. So I'm gonna try and see if it's good. Caramel is good, yeah.
One last mission whilst we are in and around the old town.
Everywhere we go, we buy fruit magnets for our mom, so we're gonna do this here as well. Our mission now is to find pretty and nice fruit magnets. What about this one? For your mom.
Yeah.
Yeah. We just arrived in one of our favorite places here in Split. We've enjoyed the city a lot, but we love this beach, particularly this beach one here close to us, so this is gonna do it, just chill out there for a couple hours.
And we'll show it to you. Here we are. And someone just got changed.
Finally chilling.
We did a lot of walking today.
Hmm?
We did a lot of walking today.
Yeah, we did.
And this is now our reward for that. This is our favourite beach for sure.
Definitely.
It's not busy, but it is a Sunday and it is a beautiful beach.
This was our day enjoying Split. We have a nice experience with the walking tour. It was very nice to know a little bit more of the city. It was nice to know and see the place that we haven't seen and knew about before. So that was great. Our next video is going to be a food tour with TJ's family. So it's going to be nice to bring them to the place that we enjoyed, the place we liked it. And it's going to be very cool because they're going to be eating everything.
And we can pretend like we're experts and we'll show
Yeah.
them.
We're going to show them everything and pretend they are the locals now. I hope they enjoyed this video. I hope you find this interesting as we did. And thank you for watching it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button. We're trying to grow this channel, so this is very, very helpful. We appreciate a lot. Give us some love. Comment below. Thank you for watching it, and I think I'll see you in the next food tour.